The Congress of Vienna, 1814–1815, was a significant diplomatic conference held in Vienna, Austria, with the primary aim of re-establishing the political order in Europe following the defeat of Napoleon Bonaparte. Organized by the four major powers that had played a crucial role in defeating Napoleon, Austria, Prussia, Russia, and Great Britain, the Congress included representatives from nearly all European states. Its main objective was to restore stability and reshape the political landscape of Europe to prevent future conflicts. One of the Congress's key goals was to reinstate the monarchies that had been displaced during Napoleon's conquests, adopting the principle of legitimacy, which involved returning traditional rulers to their thrones where possible. Another essential aim was establishing a balance of power in Europe to ensure that no single state could dominate the continent, as France had done under Napoleon. To achieve this, the Congress redrew the territorial boundaries, strengthening countries surrounding France to reduce its influence. Several prominent figures played leading roles in the negotiations, such as Prince Clemens von Metternich of Austria, who aimed to secure Austria's dominance in Central Europe and ensure stability, Tsar Alexander I of Russia, who focused on increasing Russian influence in Poland, Viscount Castlereagh of Great Britain, determined to contain France and stabilize Europe, Charles Maurice de Talleyrand of France, who skillfully secured a favorable position for his country despite its defeat, and Prince Karl August von Hardenberg of Prussia, who sought to expand Prussian territory. The Congress resulted in several significant decisions, including various territorial changes and political realignments. For example, it merged the Austrian Netherlands and the Dutch Republic to create the Kingdom of the Netherlands, intended as a strong buffer against France. It also transferred Norway from Denmark to Sweden and divided the Duchy of Warsaw between Russia, Prussia, and Austria. Moreover, the Congress recognized Swiss neutrality, a status that Switzerland still maintains today. It dissolved the Holy Roman Empire and formed the German Confederation, a loose association of 39 German states under Austrian influence, and addressed reparations and compensation by granting territories to countries that had suffered losses in the Napoleonic Wars, such as Prussia's gains in the Rhineland and Saxony. The Bourbon monarchy was also restored in France under Louis XVIII, marking a return to traditional rule. The Congress effectively reshaped Europe's political landscape, marking the beginning of a conservative order led by the great powers, who aimed to suppress revolutionary movements and maintain monarchical rule. This conservative order was maintained through the Congress system, a series of diplomatic meetings and interventions designed to preserve the established peace. Despite its success in maintaining stability for nearly 4 decades, known as the Concert of Europe, the Congress of Vienna also suppressed nationalist and liberal aspirations, leading to unrest in subsequent decades, such as the revolutions of 1848. Nevertheless, it laid the groundwork for international diplomacy and set a precedent for resolving conflicts through negotiation rather than war, making it a pivotal moment in European history.